Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting structure. Click inside the table and drag to select the exact cells you'll change. Once selected, make sure to note any merged cells and different row heights. Those are the usual culprits. You should enable the ruler and view options to see exact measurements, because adjustments rely on precise sizing. While you're here, clear direct formatting if some cells look odd, and keep the document open in another window if you plan to copy data back. Next, you'll normalize sizing and alignment. Open table properties and set consistent cell padding and preferred column widths. Type exact values for repeatable results. Once done, check vertical and horizontal alignment so text sits correctly. This prevents apparent spacing issues across rows. If merged cells break the layout, unmerge them, then remerge using the same pattern across the table so nothing shifts unexpectedly. Make sure to use the ruler for fine-tuning and test by typing sample text in several cells. To finish, apply uniform borders and cell styles to hide minor mismatches and lock the look. Then paste any external content using paste without formatting so you don't inherit odd spacing. Once everything appears correct, use print layout to confirm pagination and spacing. This catches issues screen view hides. If the table still misbehaves, duplicate the table, copy content only, and rebuild structure from scratch. This simple rebuild often clears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.